Redmi Note 10T 5G. Redmi Note 10T 5G essentially comes as a rebranded version of Redmi Note 10 5G, Europe, and Poco M3 Pro 5G. The smartphone features triple rear cameras and a hole-punch display design. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC. Redmi Note 10T 5G price, availability. Redmi Note 10T 5G price has been set at 13,999 rupees for the 4GB plus 64GB storage variant, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 15,999 rupees. The phone comes in chromium white, graphite black, metallic blue, and mint green colors. It will be available for purchase through Amazon, Mi.com, Mi Home stores, and offline retailers starting July 26. Launch offers on Redmi Note 10T 5G include an up to 1,000 rupees instant discount on HDFC Bank credit card and Easy EMI transactions. There will also be no-cost EMI and exchange options through the retail channels. Redmi Note 10T 5G was initially launched in Russia last month, with a price tag of 19,990 Russian rubles, roughly 20,100 rupees, for the 4GB plus 128GB storage configuration. Redmi Note 10T 5G specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Redmi Note 10T 5G runs on Android 11 with MIUI on top. It features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2400 pixels, display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate and a 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone has the octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC, along with up to 6GB of RAM. There is a triple rear camera setup that carries a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.79 lens, a 2-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/2.4 macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f/2.4 lens. For photos and videos, Redmi Note 10T 5G comes with an 8-megapixel selfie camera at the front with an f/2.0 lens. Redmi Note 10T 5G has 64GB and 128GB of onboard storage options. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.1, GPS, a GPS, infrared, IR, blaster, NFC, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Sensors on board include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, magnetometer, and a proximity sensor. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Xiaomi has provided a 5,000 mAh battery on Redmi Note 10T 5G that supports 18 watts fast charging, 22.5 watts charger in the box. Besides, the phone measures 161.81 by 75.34 by 8.92mm and weighs 190 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.